This broadcast will start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
DZRR 99.5 Radio.
Good morning, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Good morning, Philippines.
Good morning, everyone. I am your reporter, Abbas Rodeline Eden Faith.
I am your reporter, De La Peña Altea.
I'm your reporter, Rosales Raylene Binya.
Here are the news for today. World of Athletics brings in gen test for female category eligibility.
Sabungeras case update that no DNA extracted from bone fragments recovered from Taal Lake.
Coast Guard spot 3 Chinese research vessels in PH waters.
It was announced that track and field athletes aiming to take part in the female category in elite competitions will have to take a gene test from September, World Athletics has announced. The rest will be in place in time for the World Championships, which will take place in Tokyo from September 13 to 21. It will be implemented soon to determine eligibility for female competitions to be pair. Manila, Philippines stated that no DNA profiles were extracted from the bone fragments recovered from Taal Lake, the Philippine National Police announced. At least 91 bone fragments recovered from the 5 sacks retrieved from the lake earlier this July, the PNP Forensic Group previously said. An undisclosed number of bone fragments were recovered from an unidentified number of sacks retrieved from the lake on Wednesday, PNP spokesperson Brigadier General Jean Fajardo said in a briefing in Camp Crame. According to her, we could no longer extract any DNA profiles from the bones because it was already contaminated. She added also that the challenge there is that they were submerged for a long time.
The Philippine Coast Guard, or PCG, on Thursday said it was monitoring 3 Chinese research vessels operating without authorization within the country's exclusive economic zone, or EEZ. The PCG spokesperson on the West Philippine Sea, Commodore J. Tariela, said 2 of the vessels, Xu Haiyun and Xiang Yang Hong, 10 were detected west of the zone. In a separate statement, the PCG said the vessel's activities prompted the Coast Guard Commandant ABM Ronnie Hill Gavan to issue orders to intercept and challenge them. According to Tariela and Zuayun and Xiang Yang Hong, 10 left Guangdong province on June 23 and entered the Philippine EEZ on July 25. Xu Haiyun was spotted 363 kilometers, 195.94 nautical miles off the coast of Rizal, Palawan, while Xiang Yang Hong 10 was struck 357 km, 192.95 nautical miles. From the same area, they were seen moving near Balagtas Irving Reef on Thursday morning. Right now, both Chinese research vessels are continuously moving. We have already alerted our Coast Guard district in Palawan, and the commandant has also died.
And that is the news for today. Stay tuned to DZRR